How to use a free hit on FPL. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. If you don't know what free hit is, it's actually an ability which will allow you to transfer your player without deducting any of your points. Tap on Fantasy option from the bar menu. And at this page, you will see transfer option. Tap on transfers. Let's go ahead and transfer any team, then tap on replace. Choose the team that is within your budget and tap on next. And here you will see free hit available at the bottom bar. Tap onto it. And this is how you can do it. Once done, tap on confirm. Just like so, this is how you can use the free hit feature on your FPL account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on FPL topic, then do comment down below and subscribe to our channel.